Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking Essentials. Confirm your device model and OS version because themes can be engine-specific. Once done, back up your home layout or take screenshots so you can restore icons and folders later. Next, go straight into Settings and open Apps or App Management. Locate the theme store and any theme engine apps. Make sure to force stop and disable them if possible. This prevents automatic reapplication while you remove theme data and assets. Now you clear the theme's footprint. You go to each theme-related app, tap Clear Cache, then Clear Storage or Data. This removes applied resources. If a third-party launcher applied the look, immediately switch to the default launcher via Home Settings so System UI reverts. Then, using Files or My Files, delete downloaded theme packages, icon packs, and wallpaper files from downloads or themed folders. Once removed, reboot the device to let system rebuild default assets for a clean start. To finish, reboot and inspect your home screen. Icons, fonts, and wallpapers should be back to defaults. If some elements persist, uninstall the theme app or open the launcher settings and restore defaults. This forces the system to drop leftover resources. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to temporarily disable third-party apps. This isolates the offender so you can uninstall it cleanly. Finally, make sure to clear System UI cache if available. It often removes stubborn styling artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.